I'm going to teach you a super awesome exercise to help you recover from your COVID-19. It involves using one of these. This is called an incentive spirometer. It basically consists of 3 cylinders with some gradations inside, which corresponds to 600, 900 and 1200 cc's of air. And it has got a pipe up front for you to use as a breathing tube. Inside it has got some colored balls. It is known as an incentive spirometer because the colored balls give you a sort of incentive to improve on your breathing. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use this incentive spirometer. And also, I am going to tell you how often you should be using it. Originally, this incentive spirometer was used for treating things like COPD, asthma, and pneumonias in general. You see, when you get pneumonia, you run a high risk of getting fibrosis of your lungs. You see, this simple machine with its balls inside is quite cheap and is available at your local chemist. We are going to use this machine to help you recover from your COVID-19. In fact, you could even use this machine if you are in the earlier stages of COVID when you are having a mild disease. And you could also use this machine if you are not sick at all, just to improve your lung capacity. To use the machine, remove the pipe from the pipe holder. Wipe the tip of the breather tube with some sanitized tissue. Hold the apparatus with one hand and with the other hand hold the breather pipe. Exhale to the fullest. Place the breather tube into your mouth and seal your lips on the tip of the tube. Now inhale as hard as possible. Your goal is to get the colored balls as high as possible. In the beginning, you might not be able to move all the colored balls up. That is why it is called an incentive spirometer, so that you can try harder every time you use it. Once you inhale, let your breath out slowly. Repeat this exercise around 10 times. After this, you are not done. Turn the incentive spirometer over, and this time we are going to blow into the apparatus. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Now slowly exhale and try to lift the colored balls as high as possible. This one is a lot tougher. Repeat this for about 10 times. Once you are done this exercise routine, do stuff the tip of the breather tube with some cotton so that you do not have any insects and like crawling inside. Do these exercises at least 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and night. Practice both the modalities of the exercise, both the inhaling and the exhaling. Do 10 repetitions of each. You could even build yourself a schedule where you do these exercises before breakfast, before lunch and before dinner. Only remember to start out slowly, and if you do feel tired in between, take a break. I strongly recommend this exercise when you're recovering from COVID-19, whether you had mild, moderate or severe disease. Even mild disease of COVID-19 could cause some pneumonic patches in your lungs, although they don't trouble you physically. This exercise will help your lungs come to optimal performance levels much sooner. Only be sure to use this apparatus though personally and do not share this device with anybody else. You could even combine these exercises with the previous exercises I have shown, which I will put a link for over here, and perform it as a routine. If you are suffering from moderate to severe disease, please do consult your doctor before performing this exercise routine. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please do give me a like and do consider subscribing. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.